Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we will learn types of insulator. My name is Muhammad Haiqaluddin bin ISMAIL. Matrix number 01DE19F1080. My lecturer's name is Madam Rasidah binti Abdul Ali. So as we know, there are many types of insulator that use, but most commonly used they have three types. First, pin type insulator. Second, suspension type insulator, and the third one is strain type insulator, or we can call it tension insulator. Okay. First, for the pin type insulator. A pin insulator consists of a non-conducting material such as porcelain, glass, plastic, polymer or wood. As the name suggests, the pin type insulator is secure to the cross arm on the pole. There is a groove on the upper end of the insulator for housing the conductor. The conductor pass through this groove and is bound by a nailed wire of the same material as the conductor. Pin type insulators are used for transmission and distribution of electric power at voltage up to 33 kV. Beyond operating voltage of 33 kV, the pin type insulator become too bulk and hence uneconomical. Okay, for advantage and disadvantage for pin insulator. Advantage for pin insulator is it has high mechanical strength, and the pin type insulator has good creepage distance, and the last is it is used on the high voltage distribution line. For disadvantage, it should be used with the spin, and the second is it is only used in the distribution line. Next, we go to suspension type insulator. For high voltage, it is usual practice to use suspension type insulator. Consists of a number of porcelain discs connected in series by metal links in the form of string. The conductor is suspended at the bottom end of the string, while the other end of the string is secured to the cross arm of the tower. Each unit of D designed for low voltage, say 11 kV. That means for each unit of this, that's say 11 kV. The number of these is in series would obviously depend upon the working voltage. For instance, if the working voltage is 66 kV, then it has 6 discs in series will provide on the string. The entire unit of suspension type insulator is called as ring. The suspension insulators are held in horizontal plane. That means horizontal. Okay, we go to the for advantage and disadvantage. Suspension insulator. This suspension disc is designed for normal voltage rating 11 kV. So by using different number of discs, the suspension string can be made suitable for any voltage level. If any one of the discs insulator is a suspension string is damaged, it can be replaced much easily. Mechanical stress on the suspension insulator is less since the line hangs on a flexible suspension string. For disadvantage, suspension insulator string costlier than pin and post type insulator. Suspension string require more height of supporting structure, and then for pin and post insulator to maintain same ground clearance of current conductor. Next, we go to strain type insulator or tension type insulator. As we know, this strain type insulator is assembly of suspension type insulator. Type of insulator that when is the end of line, or there is a corner or sharp curve, or the crosses river, a strain type insulator is used. For low voltage line up to 11 kW, shaker insulator can be used, but for higher voltage transmission line, strain insulator consists of an assembly suspension type insulator are used. The strain type insulator are anchored in a vertical plane. From the suspension type insulator is a horizontal, and the strain type is a vertical plane. We go to the strain insulator. First, these are used for low voltage up to 11 kV. These are insulated from the ground for low voltage line. And the last, if the insulator is damaged, the stay guide wires will not drop to the ground. For the disadvantage, strain insulator is costlier than pin and post type insulator. For insulator materials, insulators are made from the following material that have porcelain, glass and polymers. Line insulator have been produced using high quality glazed porcelain and pre-stressed or toughness glass. Porcelain is made from a fine homogeneous mix of wet plastic clay, which is shaped, covered with glaze, and then fired in a kiln. That means it's an oven. Okay. Glazing is necessary to provide a surface which can be kept relatively free from dirt and moisture. Porcelain is mechanically stronger than glass, gives less trouble leakage, and is less effective by change of temperature. For the conclusion, insulator failure in the transmission and distribution system could result in expensive outage for the power company and its customer. At the usual power frequency voltage of device, industrial and or coastal contamination of external insulation is a major cause of such incidents. Today, various pollution sensors have been studied, and some of these systems are thought to be promising tools for determining appropriate maintenance times while avoiding unexpected flashover. That's all from me. Thank you for lending your ear. Assalamualaikum.